Ever since 50 years, 60, 70 years, in the year 1950, the population of the world was approximately 2+ billion people. What? 1950. It was around 2+ billion people in the world. 1960, approximately 3 billion people in the world. So every 10 years we have been having a billion people. And now, in 2022, we have 8 billion people. So that definitely has these people worried. But they have been working on it. Ever since 1950, they've been working on all these contraceptives and abortion and sterilizing people so that people do not have more children, because if they have more children, their concept is there will not be enough water, there will not be enough food, there will not be enough space on land. But do you know what? Allah proved them wrong. Since 1950, they have been saying that if we don't kill the population and control the birth of children from 4, 5, 6 to 1 and 2, the earth will have no space, there will not be enough food, there will not be enough water, there will not be enough land for people to live. Since when have they been saying this? 1950, 70 years ago. Today we are 8 billion people, and we have more food, we have more water. Well, we have the same water. Water doesn't really die away. And I want to talk a little bit about water from the Quran so we could understand the whole cycle of water from the Quran, the astronomical aspect. Yeah, from the Quran, inshallah. This is not Shaikh Shafayat's opinion. And we got to be careful not to go off track with our iman. Not because we think we are so-called academic. Be academic, but don't be anti-Quranic. Be in the line with what Allah expects us to be. So with 8 billion people, those people 70 years ago who started thinking about, thought that the world will not be able to feed billions more people. We are 2022 with 8 billion people, and there is enough food. Actually, there is more food for people now than there was 70 years ago. Okay?